So guys, this is your artist TolgArt and I'm back with another challenge. And this will be really challenging for me. Today we will do the one line art challenge. That means basically that I'm not allowed to lift the pen from the paper. Yes, that's right. After the pen touches the paper, I cannot lift the pen up, not even once. But you will see in this video that it is almost impossible. And the pen I'm using here is from Faber-Castell 0.05 millimeters. But I can tell you that the end result isn't that bad. So let's begin with the video.
Break down to the end of the light. I'm gonna take these walls down.
Okay, so this is the first time ever I'm doing something like this, so you will see that I'm failing a lot. Here I wanted to draw Goku, but you will see that I failed by just drawing his first hair strand. So fail number 1. Okay, so this time I wanted to draw Banazes my own Saiyan. I started really good, but then I accidentally lifted up the pen. Fail number 2. But anyways, next try.
Take these walls down.
Finally, we made it. After failing 8 times, I finally managed to do a one-line drawing. Of course, we cannot expect it to be a masterpiece, but it's okay. What do you think? Man, I can tell you that after a while, by not lifting the pen, your hand gets so tired and it hurts. I really needed to warm up first. The first tries were also not that bad, but I put myself into cold water, so no excuses, guys. I failed a lot, but at the end I did it. This is like all in life, guys. Just keep doing your thing until you're at the top. And that's it for today, my lovely YouTube subscribers. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Then I see you next week with a drawing from another anime. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.